Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online reviews with Podium, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Podium account. Navigate to the dashboard to find the reviews section. Click on the Automations tab in the side menu. Select Create Automation to start a new process. Choose the type of review request you want to automate. You can customize the message that will be sent to your customers. Next, set the triggers for when this message should be sent. Consider using triggers like after a purchase or following a service appointment. Once your triggers are in place, set the time delay for sending the review request. You may want to send the message immediately or wait a few hours. Next, input the customer's contact information fields. Ensure that the format matches the existing data in your Podium account. After setting up the automation details, review all configurations. Make any necessary changes to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the Save button. Your review request automation is now live. Monitor the performance of your automated requests through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust your messaging or timing based on customer response rates. This will help improve your overall review collection process. Be sure to experiment with different triggers and messages over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.